What about tuples? So tuple is an ordered and immutable collection of items. The elements in a tuple are enclosed within parentheses, round brackets. They are similar to lists, but once a tuple is created, you cannot modify it, which makes it different to a list. So if I run that code, you'll see simple tuple equals or includes these respective elements over here. So if I print that, it gives you the output. If I want to print tuple 1, square brackets 1, remember now we want to extract a particular element from the actual tuple in this case now. So 1 is the second element because it starts at 0. 0, 1. So the print output over there is the second element, even though that is a 1. You cannot change elements in a tuple. So if I run this code over here, where I ask Python to replace the first element, 453, with a 5, it gives you an error. You cannot change values or elements in a tuple. By the way, if you get errors like this, what I would always suggest is copy the actual error itself and check on the internet what that error means. You can really get to the crux of what that error is. You can use suggestions on platforms where there are discussion boards that can assist you to fix codes. You can even use ChatGPT. I think ChatGPT now has revolutionized, changed the way that you can use code and apply code. You're welcome to do that just to familiarize yourself with why there is an error. Let me just run this code now. You can't modify it, but there is a way. Convert a tuple to a list or a dummy list. And you can modify. What I do here is I can create a dummy based on the simple tuple that we highlighted above. So dummy equals the list, which is the simple tuple. And then in the dummy, the first element, I make a 5. The first element, 453, I'll make a 5. Then I say simple tuple equals tuple the dummy, and then I print the simple tuple. So what I do is I create like a cup holder, which has the alteration that I've given it in the code. So there you can see I've changed the first variable, the first element, sorry, to a 5 where it was a 453 originally. So that is a tuple.